Some call it the miracle economy. Once again, Australia has managed to prove the forecasters and the sceptics wrong. Construction for the mining boom has helped the economy grow in the first quarter of the year at a rate nearly twice as strong as most had suspected.
The Prime Minister's all smiles.
Look at that.
In large part because of the miners.
How cute are these two? They're just fabulous.
And they're not the only pair of fabulous figures. Australia's gangbuster economy grew by 1.3% in the first 3 months of 2012, an annual rate of 4.3%. The growth spurt's much, much better than expected.
This is a result that all Australians should be proud of.
Australia's growing faster than every other major industrialised economy. There's anaemic growth in the world's biggest economy, negative growth in the United Kingdom, and savage contractions in other parts of Europe.
Well, I think the country should have a bounce in its step today. What a great day for Australia. And what a stunning set of figures.
Some parts of the country are bouncing higher than others. While manufacturing was a drag on growth, household spending held up better than expected, and mining is still booming. It really is a two-speed economy. The resource-rich states are moving at light speed, WA's growing faster than China, while the other states are spluttering along in comparison. Overall, though, economists are gobsmacked.
When I saw the 4.3% annual GDP figure, I almost fell off the chair. I couldn't believe it. I had to check whether there was a transposition between 3.4 and 4.3. It was a stunning result.
Just yesterday, the coalition had this to say.
These aren't great economic times. Anyone who pretends otherwise is not living in the real world.
Today's real numbers suggest otherwise.
The numbers are the numbers. I totally accept that. The numbers are the numbers.
But he isn't about to give the government any credit.
Look, the scariest thing in Australia is Wayne Swan. Imagine how well our country could do if we had a good government.
I see these figures as a victory for all of those that are optimistic in Australia, and it puts the naysayers and the doomsayers right back in their box.
So who are the so-called doomsayers? An energised treasurer accused the coalition of hysterical nonsense, sections of the business community of trying to talk the economy down, and the media of overly negative reporting. Mark Simpkin, ABC News, Canberra.